Okay. Whether you are traveling with your kids to go to one of their sports tournaments, or your husband or your boyfriend, or just on traveling with girlfriends or alone, skincare is always a topic that I get asked about. What do I bring when I'm packing? Like, what's the essential skincare that I need? What is the skincare pieces that I need on the go? Today, I have Jenny, who's my personal makeup artist, and we are here to talk about what you need for skincare essentials on the go. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a fashion stylist, and for those of you who do, welcome back. Today, I have a special guest for you. This is Jenny McKinney. Most of you guys who follow me on Instagram will see her on there. She is my personal makeup artist and has been for years. Anytime I get asked any skincare makeup related questions, they're not my thing. So I always bring Jenny in because they're her thing. Before we get started on this video, I just want to let you guys know, if you like it, to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, say hi to Jenny. I've told Jenny now she knows how to go over to my site and answer the comments. So if you have questions, she will answer them. Or you can hit her up on Instagram. I'll leave that for you down below. And remember to subscribe, because then I will show up in your mailbox every Friday. And when we film, check the behind the scenes, because Jenny's always there. Full day filming. She keeps us all entertained and looking fresh. So let's get into it. Jenny McKinney.
Yes.
Makeup artist extraordinaire.
Hello, gorgeous.
The queen. So I travel a lot, whether it's for my children, whether it's for work, whatever. And I struggle with this. Like, what do I bring on my trip? I don't want to pack a million things.
One of the things that's really important is hygiene. Right?
Hygiene.
Yes.
Yeah, and tons of us, like, especially if you are on the go and you're traveling, you tend to use, maybe you're going out more, so you're using more makeup than you would normally. Yep. Ew.
Could be.
You need to get it off your face.
Yep. One of my favorite hand sanitizers is this coconut lemon one, but I also really love this lavender one.
I've had that one too.
And I make sure that I have both on hand, because sometimes people have sensitivities and I don't want to only have one and then
Can we talk about this for a minute?
Yeah.
So Jenny got me onto this because she always sprays it on her hands before she does my makeup, and it's coconut lemon. And I actually went to buy it. Give me some love.
Okay.
I actually went to buy it after I was like, what is that? And then I went to buy it, and it is now in my plain travel bag in my purse.
I love that.
Yes.
That's awesome.
So it's called Everyone Hand Sanitizer. Where did you get it?
Natural food store.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nature's Fair.
Nature's Fair.
Yeah. Because on planes, if you're traveling and there's a plane, they're not the cleanliest environments. The other thing that I find is people want to be able to wipe off the grit and grime of the day when they're on the go, and they're tired because they've been going hard all day long. I don't know, did you go to Disneyland? What did you do? So I discovered this thing, and I have to be honest with you. It's called the makeup eraser. You're supposed to wet it and you wipe it off, and it's supposed to take off all of the debris of the day. I saw it and it was $30, and I thought, meh. And I asked the makeup artist that I knew for like 20 years, I said, does this really work? And he goes, meh, I don't know. He never tried it. $30, I passed it up. I saw it at Winners for $9.99, and I thought, well, I can't lose. Might as well try it. So I brought it home and tried it, wet it, and it literally wiped my face clean.
Fascinating.
And I thought, that's so good. So I used it for a couple weeks, and now I would wash it, I would say, every 3-4 days.
Yeah.
And so how long do you go away for? 4 or 5 days?
Yeah, 3-4 days. It's fine.
3-4 days. Yeah. Well, I would wash it like, say, every 3 to 5 days.
Yeah.
Sometimes you know when something that has been wet and dried,
Yeah.
it starts to get a little
Gross.
funky,
Yeah.
kind of musty.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't like that. Ugh. I don't know if it's like the artist in me or
I get
whatever,
that.
but I just don't like something smelly.
No. Who does?
Couldn't touch it to my face. So I discovered this amazing product called Pink Solution.
Oh.
Have you heard of it?
I have, actually, because of you.
Yes. Totally natural product. I got it at Costco. It was like, I don't know, a bucket that will last you a lifetime for $50. And it will clean your boat. It will clean your kitchen. It will clean your stove. It'll clean everything. But I thought, you know, so many times I go away with my husband and we'll go out for dinner, and honey, I love you. And you're like a very capable man. But sometimes he gets greasy food on his shirt.
Oh,
and we're
that
away.
cleans it?
Yes. Totally.
That cleans your husband's greasy shirt.
It doesn't matter what you're cleaning. I think if you just plop a little bit of this in a little to-go kit, and you wash your,
This is pretty cool. I have to say, I looked it up on the website because I wanted to know a bit more about it. Makeup eraser, and it literally says it will take off everything with just water, including waterproof eyeliner, mascara.
It does.
And she says it does.
It does. And so my friend who was like selling it, but he didn't know if it worked, honey, it works.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
And I looked it up. Nordstrom has it. Sephora has it. Amazon has it.
Yes.
So good job, makeup eraser.
Yes.
You're everywhere.
Keep it fresh with the pink solution. This will work on anything you need to clean in your house. Toxic free.
Ooh, that's
great
cool.
for the
I like
environment. I don't know. I just feel like this will save you anywhere you're going.
And I like that this is just water and that. Do
Honestly,
you know what I mean?
like I could take my face off
I know.
right now with this.
I like that.
I don't know that I want to. My face is pretty red.
No,
already,
I would let her
but-
do mine, except for I'm gonna go.
She's
dinner
going
with my
for dinner.
girlfriend.
Now the other option is Sephora brand has these beautiful. This one's the rose one.
They smell amazing, but
Yeah.
my thing with these is, and this is why I like the makeup eraser.
Disposable.
Well, these like A, hurt the environment.
Yeah.
And B, I don't
Creates
really
waste.
know, but like there's
The
a lot of
ingredients.
ingredients. Like
Good question.
the ingredients is like this
Good
long.
question.
And I'm
Good
always
question.
like,
Good question.
I don't know.
Good question, honey. Okay, let's see.
I'm not saying it's a bad choice. I'm just saying I think that, and I think everyone has the same thought. You know, that
They might. I should have that thought, and I don't know that I thought about it.
I just get like, I'm getting to the point where I'm getting old and I'm getting worried about like what's in there and what is my skin gonna absorb and
Right.
like, is it gonna affect my brain? I don't know, you know?
Now, I really love Sephora brand. So what I'm gonna say is, I feel like if you're conscious of ingredients, rather than me going Sephora brand, make a cleaner wipe. How about just use something without any ingredients in it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
But these are awesome. I know tons of people love these.
Yeah.
They smell amazing.
smell
and
great.
I've bought them too. I have them.
quick and easy fix.
Yeah.
You don't have to pre-moisten it. That's the benefit.
Yes.
This you have to pre-moisten.
Okay, and let's take it a step further. If you're on the plane, actually, I do carry wipes for my hands.
Yeah.
So wipe the hands, a
Yes.
little bit of sanitizer
Yes.
in your plain travel bag.
Yes.
Good one. I
Yes.
like it.
Totally.
Yep.
The other thing I'm going to say is sometimes your skin gets a little thirsty when you're traveling, especially
Yeah.
if you're on the plane for an extended amount of time. Me, myself, I've never been to Europe, but if I went to Australia
When
or
you
something
go.
like that, when I go,
Yeah.
I'm going to be well prepared with something like this.
I have that.
So this is by a beautiful French brand named Caudalie that I really, really love. And this is a beauty elixir. And basically, can I squirt you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you just got more beautiful. I think I need some too.
Oh, and you know what? It
Whew.
smells amazing, you guys. I love this. And because of Jenny, it is in my airplane travel bag.
I love it.
That, and
Yes.
I'm that person on the plane where they're like, I freaking wash my hands and then I'm spraying my face. They're probably like, whoever's sitting next to me is like, what is happening over here?
So basically, I know you love 5 things.
Yeah.
So we've got
She did it.
the makeup wipe
Yeah.
cloth. We've got the pink solution, which can go for anything you need to
That's
be
awesome.
cleaning.
Great tip.
We've got the natural, it's triclosan, I think, is the ingredient that is a little bit dodgy for you to use on your own personal human
Yeah.
chemistry. So triclosan-free hand sani.
Right.
We've got the makeup wipes if you need something that's pre-moistened, and she's chucking things around. And then we also have the Caudalie moisturizing beauty elixir.
Oh, that's amazing, you guys. It smells amazing.
Now, my other tip is if you want to condense your makeup kit, so that's the 5 things you might bring that you don't normally have in your purse, is take a lipstick. If you're not really a lipstick girl, a lipstick could be a real benefit to you because you can use it on your lips and then you can just take a little bit with a couple of fingers that are moisturized, because if they're dry, it's just going to get in your fingers.
Yeah.
But if they're moisturized, take a little bit, kiss it on the apples,
Jenny taught me that trick.
look all fresh.
Yes, I was in Vancouver and the only thing I had was this Bite Beauty.
Honestly, yeah, okay, so I have to tell you the story. I introduced her to this multiple stick by Bite Beauty. I love Bite.
It's
They're
so
an
awesome.
amazing brand. And she posted some pictures of herself on Instagram and I was like, wait a minute, who did your makeup?
I was like, one product, Bite Beauty. I was literally in my Uber and I like put it on my fingers, rubbed it into my cheeks, put it on my
did.
eyelids and on my lips, and rolled into the event in a floral pink suit.
Guess who told her about that product?
Jenny McKinney, my makeup artist. I don't know. I know nothing without her. So if you ever think I look good, just head over to her site.
So I was like, oh my God. gosh, I know something.
Yeah,
You look
yeah.
so good. You look so good.
Yeah, she does know something.
love
That was
that.
an amazing tip.
That was fun.
Okay, so why lipstick so that you can put it on your
Yeah,
cheek? Yeah, okay,
yeah.
that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I don't wear lipstick ever really. I have lip gloss, but
you did rock that multiple
I did
really well.
Yes, and I'm gonna put it in my purse again. I forgot about it. Anyway, thank you so much, Jenny.
My
for being
pleasure,
here.
my pleasure.
Jenny travels, so if you need to book anything,
Yes.
she's your woman. And something I love about Jenny, which I will tell you, in like come rain or sunshine, how does that go? Sunshine or rain, whatever it is. Jenny often, like, she shows up regardless. I'll be like, I need you here at 3:30. She's like, I'll be there. She freaking shows up still in her high heels. Maybe not makeup on, but and then also if I'm having a bad day, she changes it. Like, I've had to be on camera and literally had a death in my family. I think like 2 days before I was like, ugh. And she came and changed it. So if you have an event and you need a makeup artist, I would highly recommend her, not only for the makeup, but also she will change your energy at your event. True
Kim,
story.
thank you.
True story.
Thank
It's
you.
the most important thing,
So
actually.
nice.
Especially when you're working in this industry, you want to have people
Yeah.
around you that are awesome. Ryan's awesome too. He's currently,
Ryan's the best.
Ryan does all the filming. He's
Ryan's
holding the
amazing.
boom right there. He's holding that and he's like, shut up, why are you talking so long? Anyway, I'm gonna close. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video with Jenny and I. I love all the things, the tips and tricks. Some of these I know, and so I'm like, I get excited because I've had them in my bag. This is a good one.
Yes, I
This
think
one
it
too,
is.
you guys will love it. If you have kids and stuff, it's a good one. Anyway, remember to hit the red subscribe button down below if you love this video, and let us know the pieces that you like. If you want to talk to Jenny, send over a comment or find her on her Instagram. And we will see you guys next Friday.
Sounds good.
Whether you're traveling to go to a kid's, one of your children's sporting events in another city, or you're traveling with your husband, boyfriend, lover, or you're out with girlfriends. Sorry, Ryan, I'm killing you. Okay, you ready?
Well, it's not heavy.